Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video we are going to learn about Unit 5, Forces and Motion. This video is for my students in grade 6. Are you ready to start? Let's say Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Part 1. Effects of force on objects. State the effects of force based on the diagrams below. Picture A. Effect of the force is the force changes the shape of the objects. Picture B. The force changes the direction of the objects. Picture C. The force stops the moving objects. Picture D. The force moves the stationary ball away. Picture E. The force increases the speed of the moving objects. Part 2. Type of force. What is a frictional force? The opposing force created when the two surfaces are in contact and slide against each other. Take the situation that involves frictional force. Picture A, D, E, F. Fill in the blanks on the advantages of friction based on the pictures below. Picture A. Friction allows things to move without slipping. B. Friction sharpens and smoothens the contacting surfaces. C. Friction allows us to hold or grip objects tightly. D. Friction gives out heat to light a match. E. Friction allows an object to stay still. F. Frictions stop an object from moving. Answer the questions based on the diagram below. A. What is the force involved in the activity above? The answer is gravitational force. B. Explain your answer in 5A. The paraglider has weight that causes the gravitational force to pull him to the ground. C. Is this a contact or non-contact force? And the answer is non-contact force. D. Explain your answer in 5C. It is because the force has no physical contact with the paraglider. Objective questions. Choose the best answer. 1. Which of the following is an effect of force? The answer is D. Changes the direction of a moving object. 2. The diagram below shows several actions J, K, L, M. Which of the above actions show that force changes the shape of the object? And the answer is B, K and M. 3. The diagram below shows two teams playing tug of war. Both are pulling hard but no one wins. Which of the following statements explain the situation? The answer is C, 1, 3 and 4. 4. The diagram below shows Azmi shopping in a supermarket. Which of the following is not the effect of force on the trolley? And the answer is A. The force changes the shape of the trolley. 5. Why does the surface of a car tire have tread patterns? And the answer is C. To increase friction between the tire and the road. 6. Anna notices that her grandfather often sleeps in the bathroom. Which of the following ways can prevent the incident from happening again? And the answer is C. Put an anti-slip mat on the bathroom floor. 7. Which of the following situation involve gravitational force? And the answer is D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 8. Which of the following shows magnetic force? And the answer is A. The movement of the needle in a compass to show the direction. 9. Which of the following actions show elastic force? The answer is B. Number 10. A ruler is rubbed with a cloth for a few minutes. When the ruler is brought near running tap water, the water bends toward the ruler. Which of the following forces is involved in this situation? And the answer is electric force. Subjective questions. Answer all the questions below. when the diagram shows a rolling football, and this is the direction of motion. A. How do you change the direction of the rolling football? The answer is by applying the force in the opposite direction of the rolling football. B. What happens if the rolling football is kicked with a greater force in the same direction of its motion? And the answer is the football will move faster and farther. C. Explain your answer in 1B. It is because the force increases the speed of the rolling football. The diagram below shows a piece of plasticine. What happens to the plasticine after a force is exerted on it downwards? The answer is the plasticine will change its shape. 2. If a similar force is exerted on a sponge, would the condition of the sponge be similar to the plasticine? And the answer is no. The condition of the sponge will not be the same. 3. Explain your answer in 1D2. The answer is, it is because the sponge will return to its original state when the force is released. 2. The diagram below shows two situations where different loads are being pushed on the same surface. This is box X and box Y. A. Which box is difficult to be pushed? And the answer is box X. B. Explain your answer in 2A. Box X is heavier than box Y, thus it causes more friction when the box is pushed. C. What can you conclude from the situation above? The greater the mass of the load, the greater the frictional force. D. The diagram below shows a man pushing a heavy table. 1. Suggest one way to push the table more easily. The answer is by placing wheels under the table feet or any suitable answer. 2. Name one other reason why the heavy table is difficult to push. And the answer is the surface of the ground is rough. Alhamdulillah, I think it's enough for now. Don't forget, click like and then give good comment and share to the people who needs my lesson. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.